9th standard. Today we will revise exercise 4th B from chapter 4th. This exercise is basically based on the expansion of cubes. Before starting this exercise, we will learn about these identities. So the first identity, cube of a plus b equals a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. By this identity you can find out a cube plus b cube equals a plus b cube. This plus term will go there in minus a plus b. Similarly, the second identity is cube of difference of two terms. When it is asked a minus b cube, it is equal to a cube. Here minus, whenever we take minus of any term, minus of cube of any terms, then b cube minus 3 ab a minus b. So from here, value of a minus b cube equals a minus b cube plus 3ab a minus b. So these two identities basically we will use in this chapter, this exercise. The third one, if it is given in fractional form, means a minus 1 upon a cube or a minus plus 1 upon a cube, then a cube plus 1 upon a cube plus 3 a plus 1 upon a. From here also we can find out value of a cube plus 1 upon a cube as cube of a plus 1 upon a minus 3 into a plus 1 upon a. The fourth one, identity, here we have taken plus, now we will take minus and solve. A minus 1 upon a cube equals a cube minus 1 upon a cube minus 3 a minus 1 upon a. From here, value of a cube minus 1 over a cube equals cube of a minus 1 upon a plus 3 into a minus 1 upon a. So, before starting this exercise, you have to learn all these identities. Now, we start our exercise. Second question of this exercise. What is given in this question? Value of a square plus 1 over a square is given 47, and you have to find here two parts. In first part, you have to find value of a plus 1 over a, and in second part, you have to find value of a cube plus 1 over a cube. So, a square plus 1 upon a square is given 47. In first part, you have to find value of a plus 1 over a. So what we will do? We will take this term and do it square because value of square is given here. So square of 1 upon a plus 1 upon a whole square is equal to a square plus 1 upon a square plus 2. Now we substitute value of a square plus 1 over a square here. So what we will get? A plus 1 over a whole square is equal to 47 plus 2. A plus 1 over a whole square equals 49. So this square will go that side and convert into what? Yes, in square root. So value of a plus 1 over a is equal to plus minus square root of 49, and now we get like this value of a plus 1 over a as plus minus 7. In second part, you have to find value of a cube plus 1 upon a cube. So here we take the term and apply identity of a cube. we'll take the same term and we apply identity because this value already we have found here. So what is the identity? A cube plus 1 over a cube plus 3 into a plus 1 over a. This value you have to find. So what we will do? We transfer or shift this term other side. So a cube plus 1 over a cube equals a plus 1 over a whole cube minus 3 a plus 1 over a. Now we substitute a plus 1 over a as plus minus 7. This value we have to substitute. So a cube plus 1 over a cube equals cube of plus minus 7. You can take together or you can take plus 7 first and then minus 7, calculate and you get two answers like this. When we take cube of plus 7, 343 plus, and when we take cube of any minus term, what will come? Minus. Now here this minus will multiply with plus, we get minus. Minus multiply with minus, we get plus. 3 sevens are 21. Here you can see the sign are opposite. So we subtract them and answer will come 322. Now question 4th. In question 4th, value of a plus 1 over a is given p and you have to show a cube plus 1 over a cube is equal to p into p square minus 3. So what is given in this question? A plus 1 over a is given p. You have to find or you have to show a cube plus 1 over a cube equals p into p square minus 3. We have to find value in cube. So we will take this term and we find out cube, or straightway you can find out this identity also, you can apply the same. Otherwise we will take a plus 1 over a and we apply here cube identity. According to this identity we get a cube plus 1 over a cube plus 3 into a plus 1 over a. Now we can substitute value of a plus 1 over a as p. A plus 1 over a as p. So what we will get? P cube is equal to a cube plus 1 over a cube plus 3 into p. So p cube, this when you multiply 3 with p, what we will get? We get 3p. It is in plus, we shift this side, it will come in minus. So from here p is common, p square minus 3 equals a cube plus 1 over a cube. Therefore a cube plus 1 over a cube equals p into p square minus 3. The same we have to show here. Plus, now 7th question. In this question, the value of a plus 2b plus c is given 0 and you have to show a cube plus 8b cube plus c cube is equal to 6abc. So, we will take this down. A plus 2b plus c equals 0. We don't have any identity of cube of 3 terms. So what we will do, out of these 3 terms, we shift one term that side, any of one term. So what we will do, we will take this c, that will go in minus c. Now we will take this binomial and we find out its cube. So cube of a plus 2b equals, we follow the identity of a plus b cube here. So cube of first term plus cube of second term plus 3 into first term into second term is 2b a plus b. Now a plus 2b we can substitute substitute as minus c. So what we will get? Cube of minus c equals a3 means a raised to the power 3 plus here this cube is also of 2 also of b. So cube of 2 is 8 b raised to the power 3 plus 3 2s are 6 a b. What is the value of a plus 2b? Minus c. So minus c cube is equal to a cube plus 8b cube minus 6abc. These terms we will transfer. So a cube plus 8b cube plus c cube equals 6abc. Hence proved. This only you have to show. Now question number 8. Use property to evaluate. Here we will do second part of this question. The statement is given like this: 7 cube plus 3 cube plus minus 10 cube. There is one identity: if sum of 3 terms equals 0, then we have to follow this identity. If sum of 3 terms is 0, then sum of their cube will be equal to 3 times of their product. So here a is 7, b is 3, c is given minus 10. We follow the same identity, add them. So a plus b plus c equals 7 plus 3 minus 10. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. That means this identity is applicable here. Therefore, 7 cube plus 3 cube plus minus 10 cube will be equal to 3 times of their product into 7 into 3 into minus 10. Now we multiply them. 3 7s are 21, 21 3s are 63 into 10 minus 6, 30. Like this you can solve other parts also. Next question is 11th. In this question, value of x plus 1 upon x is given 2. Using this value you have to find all the 3 parts. So value of x plus 1 upon x equals 2. Using this first part, you have to find value of x square plus 1 upon x square. So we will take this term x plus 1 over x and we apply identity of square. So what we will get? X square plus 1 upon x square plus 2. Here we substitute x plus 1 over x as 2. So square of 2 equals x square plus 1 over x square plus 2. Square of 2 is 4. This plus 2 will come here in minus. So x square plus 1 over x square is equal to 2. This is value of our first part. In second part, you have to find value of x cube plus 1 over x cube. We'll take the same term x plus 1 over x and do its cube. So it is a cube plus b cube plus 3 into their sum. So we substitute the value here. 2 cube means x plus 1 over x we will substitute as 2. 2 cube is equal to x cube plus 1 over x cube plus 3 into 2. Cube of 2 is 8 minus 3 2s are 6. It is in plus. This side it will come in minus. So value of x cube plus 1 over x cube is equal to 2. So in first part we have found value of x square plus 1 over x square as 2. In second part we found value of x cube plus 1 over x cube is equal to 2. Now in third part you have to find the value of x raised to the power 4 plus 1 upon x raised to the power 4. So what we will do, we'll take this value and do it square. So x square plus 1 over x square whole square equals square of first term plus square of second term plus 2. Value of x square plus 1 over x square we substitute as 2. So 2 square equals, when we multiply 2 with 2 what will get? 4. Similarly here 1 upon x 4 plus 2. Square of 2 is 4. This plus 2 will come here in minus x4 plus 1 over x4. So value of x4 plus 1 over x4 is 2. At the end when we compare, we can say x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to x cube plus 1 upon x cube is equal to x4 plus 1 upon x4 is equal to 2. Means all the answers of all three terms equals to 2. Now 14th question of this exercise. In this question, two numbers are given. So we will take from our own side. Let the numbers be x and y. According to question, sum of these two numbers means when we add both the numbers, what is given? It is equal to 9. Secondly, it is given that their product is 20. That means when we multiply them, they both gives 20. You have to find here two parts. In first part, you have to find sum of their squares, means x square plus y square. In second part, you have to find sum of their cubes, means x cube plus y cube. So for calculating first part, they asked you have to find sum of x square plus y square. So we'll take this term x plus y and we apply square one identity here. So x plus y square is equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy. Now we substitute x plus y here as 9 and xy as 20. So what we will get? 9 square equals x square plus y square plus 2 into 20. Square of 9 is 81. 22s are 40. This 40 is in plus, will come here in minus. So x square plus y square is equal to 41. This is answer of our first part. In second part, you have to find value of cubes. So we'll take the same term and we take the property of cube here. Equals x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. We substitute x plus y as 9 and xy as 20. So 9 cube equals x cube plus y cube plus 3 into, what is xy? Xy is given 20. And what is x plus y? It is 9. So cube of 9. We multiply 9 how many times? 3 times. We get 729 equals x cube plus y cube plus, we multiply these all three terms. 9 2s are 18, 18 3s are 54, so we get 540. This is in plus, this will come here in minus. So 729 minus 540 equals x cube plus y cube. We will subtract them. 9 minus 0, 9. 12 minus 4, 8. 6 minus 5, 1. So, value of x cube plus y cube is equal to 189. By using the same identity of cubes, you can solve other sums of this exercise also.